This is my fish tank. It's like a 30-gallon fish tank. 30-gallon. That, right here, we got 3 kissing fish. One here, and what's the other one right there? That's the third one. If you guys could tell me what that blackfish is, right there, that other blackfish right there, it's hard to tell, and that little tiny fish right there. If you guys can tell me what kind of fish that is, because I'm confused. Alright, watch the chases begin. Watch them start chasing each other. Oh, by the way, that's my red hook back there. And my flagtail is right there. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, he's fast. Right there. That's my flagtail. I got two Apollo sharks. And 2 Plecos, but then the back over there it's behind the ship. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see him. One's behind there, and the other one's behind this rock. Tell me, guys, how you like the setup and everything. They're all community fish. Pretty nice tank. If you guys can just tell me what kind of fish those are that I showed you. It's a very nice setup, as you can see. Alright, leave some comments. Thanks. Peace out.